Hello everyone, it's Samir here, and today we'll look at a problem from parabola and coordinate geometry, which is roughly JE advanced level or can come in even ISI or CMI level. So let's see the problem. It says that if the endpoints of two normal chords AB and CD, which are normals at A and C of a given parabola, are concyclic, find the hidden locus formed by the intersection of tangents at A and C. Okay, so for this, like for most of the problem of geometry, first we need a rough diagram. Okay, so we draw a diagram with a parabola, standard parabola, and a circle intersecting at 4 points. So these 4 points would become concyclic. So we put one normal as AB, which is normal at A, another normal as CD, which is normal at C. And we are asked the locus of intersection of tangents at A and C. Okay, so they are drawing tangents at A, tangents at C, and we want its locus. So first we need to analyze some of the properties that would come up by the intersection of a circle and a parabola and two normal chords of parabola. So first, we let the parameter representing point A as T1, the parameter representing point C as T2. Okay, so the parameter of B, which is the other point at which the normal is intersecting the parabola, would be minus T1 minus 2 by T1. We know that a normal chord, normal at T1, gives parameter minus T1 minus 2 by T1 at the other intersection point with parabola. Similarly, point D, D's parameter would be minus T2 minus 2 by T2. Okay, so we just note down this fact. So we just note down this fact that we have taken parameters of A and C as T1 and T2, and parameters of B and D come as minus T1 minus 2 by T1 and minus T2 minus 2 by T2. Okay, now we try and find out what is unique about intersection of a circle and parabola at 4 points. So what comes in that? So the standard method for this is you take parabola in parametric form, x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280, while take a general circle in Cartesian form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And we put the parameters of parabola in the circle. Okay, so you would get 80 square whole square plus 280 whole square plus 2g80 square plus 2f multiplied by 280 plus c equal to 0. So you can see that it is an equation of fourth order in T with no term of T cube. Okay, so the sum of its roots, that is T1, T2, T3, T4 would be 0 because there is no term of T cube. Okay, so we get another fact: when a circle and a parabola intersect at 4 points, the sum of the parameters of the parabola come out to be 0. Now, what we need next, because our T3 and T4 are these minus T1 by minus T1 minus 2 by T1 and minus T2 minus 2 by T2. So what this gives us is T1 plus T2 plus T3 we put as minus T1 minus 2 by T1 and T4 as minus 2 minus 2 by T2 as 0. So this T1 and minus T1 gets cancelled out, T2 and minus T2 gets cancelled out. So you get minus 2 by T1 minus 2 by T2 as 0, which is 1 by T1 plus 1 by T2 as 0, which gives T1 plus T2 equal to 0. So this is the relation that we get between T1 and T2. So next we'll see is what happens to the tangents drawn at T1 and T2. Okay, so tangents at T1 and T2, we know from the property of parabola, they intersect at a T1 T2, comma 2a T1 plus T2. Now T1 plus T2 is 0, so the y coordinate of their intersection will always be 0. So y equal to 0, that is the axis of the parabola, is the required locus. Okay, so we solve this problem without taking any h, comma k as the point of intersection and trying to do a lot of algebra, just using the property of the normal chords of the parabola and what happens when a circle and parabola intersect at 4 distinct points. For more such problems of different types and new approaches to solve them, keep watching further videos. See you in the next video.